I even have a case where one of my clients was complaining of weight loss resistance issues. And I was like, well, what's your environment like? Well, first we looked at diet, and she was cleaning up her diet. She's doing great. Exercise, we looked at that, doing great, but not really finding the progress. And I asked her, well, where do you work? And she says, well, I work at a gas station. I'm like, oh, what are you doing all day long at the gas station? Well, checking people out, handing them their stuff and their receipts. And I'm like, stop. Are you handling receipts all day long? She said, yeah. I said, cool. Can you wear just some sort of glove? I don't care what it is, leather gloves, just anything, and see what happens. And sure enough, she started losing weight. And the reality is these BPAs, phthalates, plasticizing agents that we're all exposed to are potently classified as something called an obesogen. They literally tell us to store fat. In fact, did you guys know in 1931 they started using BPA originally, before they used it in plastics? You know what it was used for? It was used to fatten up animals.
Come on.
They fed it to animals, put it in the animal feed to fatten up the animals. It was an estrogen supplement for animals.